Zola here. I am Eat Out Foodie at Large. My Eat Out family asked me to share a little bit about what I've been doing in the kitchen over this lockdown period. And I thought, let me share something that could be really useful to all of you. I, every single day, have been making this homemade immune boosting flu shot. And actually, my sister is the one who got me into this. So let me introduce her and let's do the video together. Go! Tell them what your name is.
My name is Zola.
Okay, so we're going to go through what the ingredients are and she's going to tell us why these ingredients are good for this flu shot. Right, we start with a lemon.
Lemon is a good source of vitamin C and an immune booster.
Okay, then we've got ginger.
Ginger is good for helping to clear sore throats.
Mm-hmm. We got cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper is a good anti-inflammatory.
And honey.
And honey is a good source of antioxidants and it helps coat the throat.
Right, so you can see we've got fresh ginger and fresh lemon here. I have a lemon tree, so I've got lots of lemons. If you don't, it's okay to use the bottled one in the cupboard. And then also for ginger, if you can't find fresh ginger, you don't have any, use the ginger spice. Just use a very little bit of it because it's very, very strong. Right, let's make the shot.
Let's go.
Let's get it. Flu shot is ready. I obviously made double just because there's two of us. Okay, let's get it on. There we go. See, cute little shot. There's yours. To your health. Oh, I feel like mine's got more. Okay,
you're gonna be healthier. Supposed to do that.
It's strong, but it's worth it. It's that cayenne pepper. Okay. Thanks, lockdown buddy. Whew. Right, guys. Let's compose myself. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed. No, really, it's good. It's good for you. So definitely try it. So I hope you will try this flu shot out. Let me know if you do. Tag me. And also, let me know what else you're doing during lockdown. And let me know if you want to know what else I'm doing and cooking up during lockdown. So everybody, stay safe, stay healthy, and yeah, do the right thing.